In this video, I'm going to show you how you can still make use of SEEDANCE 2.0 to create your video for free. Yeah, absolutely free. You can use it to create your video with perfect lip sync, consistent character, and good video quality.
Wow, you always carry yourself with so much confidence. How do you do it? Confidence isn't about what you wear, it's about knowing your worth.
And you can as well use your reference image. Yes, you can use your reference image.
Hi, I'm Victoria. If you're ready to create stunning AI videos completely free, stay with me because what you're about to learn will change everything.
And then you can as well use text to video. Let's get into the practical section. Let me show you how you can still use the latest SEEDANCE model to create your video for free. But before we get right in there, do not forget, just do me a quick favor. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also comment, drop your comments down below. If you do not have anything to comment, just say SEEDANCE 2.0. Comment is a way of triggering algorithm to push video to wider audience, okay? So do that for me. So let's get right into the practical section of this video. I'm going to be making use of my mobile phone. Keep in mind, whatever I'm going to use this phone to achieve, you can as well use your PC, your personal computer, or whatever to achieve, or your desktop to achieve that. So let's carry everyone along. Okay, so first I'm gonna proceed with getting our video prompts, also our reference image. So I'm going to come over to ChatGPT. So once I get to ChatGPT, I'm going to click on this plus icon right here and then click on photos. Then I'm going to bring in my own reference image, which is, I want to use my image. So we'll get to know if there will be consistency or not. Okay. So I've brought in my reference image. This is the image I want to use. And I'm going to proceed to use this mic icon to say something, to ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt for me to use this image to create a video. So I'm going to say, hello, darling. I want to use my image to create a video, just a random video. So I wanted to give me 8 seconds video prompt with dialogue for me to create this video. Thank you. Then I'm going to wait for the response from ChatGPT. So here we have it. Use the uploaded reference image as the identity reference, preserve her exact facial features. You can get to read because this is actually important for you to have consistency in your video. It is better you always include this keywords so that whatever software you are using will be able to dictate and know, okay, this is what I need to keep in mind. So at this point, I'm going to come over here to copy. I'm going to copy the prompt alongside with the dialogue. Okay, then I'm going to copy. Let me see the dialogue. The dialogue is, hi, I'm Victoria. Hi, I'm Victoria. If you are ready to create stunning AI videos completely free, stay with me because what you are about to learn will change everything. Oh, that is amazing. The next step is for us to actually know the website that we are going to still use SEEDANCE 2.0 to create our video. So I'm going to come over here. So come over to this website. The link will be on this video description for you to just go ahead to click and it will take you down there. But before you rush to click on the link, get to know how to use it. Okay, so let's proceed. So once you get to this interface, once you sign in with your email address or your Google, or you sign in with your Google account, once you get into this interface, you come over here. Remember, I'm making use of my phone, so the font size is tiny. So I'm going to just be zooming in, zoom out. Just whatever I'm using this mobile phone to achieve, you can use your laptop, keep in mind. So I'm going to come over to this 3-dash line, and then I'm going to select on sit under here AI video. Since we want to create video, if you want to create images, you can select AI image. If you want audio, you can select AI audio. If you want music, yeah, it's interesting to know that you can as well use this website to create your music and audio. And yeah, so I'm going to come over and click on AI video. So once you click on AI video, it will bring out different AI models ranging from Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, SEEDANCE 2.0, SEEDANCE 2.0 Mini, Clean AI, GROK 1.5, Gemini Omni, Hello AI, then Vio 3.1, and that. So the purpose of this tutorial is for us to use SEEDANCE 2.0. So I'm going to select SEEDANCE 2.0. So once you select the model SEEDANCE 2.0, you come over here, you see create, and under this side you have my creation. My creation is where you can actually see your projects that you've created before now. Then under here you see prompts. So I'm going to come over here, this point where you see prompt, I'm going to come over to paste my prompt. So once you pasted your prompt, you come over to where you see import, that is reference image. Let me zoom for you to see clearly. See reference images. This is to tell you that you can bring in more than one image. I'm going to click on import to bring in my reference image, then photo. So I've selected my reference image, I've imported my reference image, then I'm going to wait for it to be fully imported to it. You can see this is the reference image. So the next thing you need to do is for you to come over to where you see aspect ratio. Go ahead to choose your aspect ratio. So I'm going to be using 16:9 since I'm going to post this on YouTube alone. So for duration, I'm going to click on duration, then select your duration. We have 5 seconds, we have 6 seconds, we have 7 seconds, down to 15 seconds. Crazy, right? So I'm going to be selecting 8 seconds so that I will not end up wasting my credits, okay? So after selecting your duration, you come over to quality. Under quality, I'm going to select 720p. I don't want to go more than that so that it will not demand me to subscribe, okay? So after selecting your quality and your audio is checked, okay? So once you are done with everything, you bring in your reference image, you paste your prompt, and then you select your aspect ratio, duration, and quality. Kindly come over to where you see generate 19 credits. So I'm going to click on it, and then let's go ahead to see what will be the outcome. Yes, let's see the result of this. Okay, if it's going to be worth it or not, if it's going to maintain consistency, the character, and if there will be private lip sync. Okay, let's wait to see the results. Okay, the video is ready. So I'm going to kindly go ahead to play for you to see if it is worth it.
Hi, I'm Victoria. If you're ready to create stunning AI videos, Hi, I'm Victoria. If you're ready to create stunning AI videos completely free, stay with me because what you're about to learn will change everything.
This is beautiful. And the fact that what I love most is that there is private lip sync. There is private lip sync, though the consistency in character is not really it. Maybe it's because it is actually AI image I use. I don't know, but there is no actual, but even with that, it is still it. Yeah, it's still beautiful and it is of high quality. I love the quality.
Stunning AI videos.
That is beautiful. So for you to be able to download it, come over here where you see download, click on download, and here you have it. The video will be downloaded to your device or your gallery. Okay, I really hope you found this particular video valuable. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post valuable content like this, you will be the first to be notified. And try as much as possible to leave a comment down below. Comment is very, very important because it will trigger algorithm to push video to wider audience. So help me drop a comment down below. Do not forget to share it with another creator. See you in my next one. Goodbye.